Good morning to all. My dear students, I am KV Bhikshamaya, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Gambhiravapet, Rajana Sircilla. Subject zoology. Today topic is migration of birds. The word migration comes from a Latin word migrare, which means to travel. The periodic traveling of birds from one place to another and back to obtain the advantages of the favorable conditions. Those birds which undergo migration are called migratory birds. Bird migration is a two-way. It involves the emigration and immigration. Onwards journey from the home to the new places is called immigration. Back journey from the new place to the home is called immigration. Emigration plus immigration plus is equal to migration. Next, we migratory birds. A swift, golden plover, hummingbird, robin, and regular gulls and sparrow. Causes of birds migration. Causes of bird migration. The migration of birds is caused by the following factors. The migration of birds is caused by the following factors. One is the scarcity of food, the shortness of daylight, increase cold, stormy and weather, increase of pressures, and the repairing of gonids and instinct. Next we discuss about these types of migration. Altitudinal migration and latitudinal migration and longitudinal migration, total migration, partial migration. The altitudinal migration. The migration of birds from the mountain tops to valleys is called the altitudinal migration. It is done by mountain birds. Next, latitudinal migration. The migration of birds from the north to south and vice versa is called latitudinal migration. Large land masses are present in northern hemispheres. During winter, the northern hemisphere is very cold. So the birds they migrate towards south. During summer the birds migration towards north to avoid high temperature. North to avoid high temperature. Next, longitudinal migration. The migration of birds in the east-west direction and vice versa is called longitudinal migration. Total migration. When all the members of the species living in a particular area participate in the migration, it is called total migration. Partial migration. When only a few members of the species take part in the migration, it is called partial migration. Next, diurnal migration. The migration of birds during a day in times they call a diurnal migration. Nocturnal migration. The migration of birds during night time is called nocturnal migration. And daily migration. Certain birds like crows etc. fly away from their nests in the early morning and return to the same nests in the evening. This called is daily migration. Seasonal migration. Some birds migrate regularly as a definite season in every year. This is called seasonal migration. Some ornithologists of the temperature countries classified migration birds according to those seasons. One is summer visitors. Certain birds like swifts, swallows, nightingales, cookies, etc. migration from the south to north during summer. These birds are called summer visitors. Summer visitors. Winter visitors. Certainly birds like field fire, snow bunting or the raving migrating from north to south during winter. These birds are called winter visitors. Next discussion, range of migration. Range of migration. The migration birds travel thousands of kilometers for breeding. Himalaya partridges cover the distance of about 1 or 2 millions. Bobolink travels 12,200 kilometers. Brant swallows travel about 14,400 kilometers. The bird which covers the longest distance during migration is the Arctic tern. It travels 17,600 kilometers. Some birds migration close the earth. Other birds have up to the height of 300 feet. Birds prefer to fly below the level of the clouds. The average speed of migration is 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. The greatest speed record in India of two species of the swift is 250 to 325 kilometers per hour. Birds usually travel 5 to 6 hours a day, resting in between for food or drink. The golden plover holds the world record with the longest non-stop bird flying from the Hudson Bay and Alaska to South America and a distance of the 3,850 kilometers. Next, we discuss about this regulatory of migration. Regularity migration. Several species of migratory birds show a strictly regulatory and economy in the migration. They are very functional in migration. They arrived from the certain birds can predicted with 100% accuracy and the purple martins written on the same day is seasons. Wayfinding or bird navigation. Wayfinding or bird navigation. The bird migration through well established routes year after year. They follow the same route and reach the same destination year after year. How do you birds find their ways? This is the greatest mystery for the ornithologist. Various explanations of navigation have been given for what determines the direction and course of migration. One is the visual landmark. Certainly birds find their way by recognized landmarks such as rivers, valleys, coastal lines, oceans, seas, deserts, mountains, mountain ranges, and etc. The Earth's magnetic field. Griffin suggested that birds are guided by the Earth's magnetic field. Next, stars. Fringe Shore demonstrated that stars serve as a guiding force for nocturnal migration. This is true for warbler birds. Sun. Gostwin, Cramir, and Mathwis provided that many whale birds use the sun as the compasses for migration. Experiences. A few naturalists believe that birds learn the way of the experience. Some world members benefiting by a tradition following a path in past several years become leaders to guide the younger generation. Next, advantages of migration. It creates survival value for the birds. The birds avoid cold and stormy weathers by migration in winter. They obtain long day light hours for searching food when they migrate in winter. They can avoid scarcity for food owing to freezing and snowfalls. This is the advantage of migrations. Summer migration birds, some of winter migration birds. Next we discussing about this again, migration of birds. Migration is equal to immigration plus immigration is equal to migration. Migratory birds, swift, golden plover, hummingbird, robin, grey goose and sparrow. Causes of the birds migration. The migration of the birds are caused by the following factors: the scarcity of food, the shortening for the daylight, increased cold, stormy weather, and increased pressure. The ripening of the gonads and instinct. Types of bird migration. One is the altitudinal migration, latitudinal migration, longitudinal migration, total migration, and partial migration, and rhythmical migration, nocturnal migration, daily migration, seasonal migration. Seasonal migration is two types. One is the summer visitors, winter visitors. Summer visitors, winter visitors. Types of migration. First is altitudinal migration. Altitude migration. The migration of birds from mountain tops to valleys is called altitudinal migration. It is done by mountain birds. Latitudinal migration. The migration of birds from the north to south and vice versa is called latitudinal migration. Large line bases present of the northern hemispheres. But during the winter, the northern hemispheres is very cold, so that birds they are migrate towards south. During summer, the birds migration towards north to avoid high temperature. And longitudinal migration. The migration of birds is the east-west direction and vice versa is called longitudinal migration. Next, total migration. When all the members of the species living in a particular area participate in the migration, it is called total migration. And partial migration. When only a few members of the species take parts of the migration, it is called partial migration. Next, diurnal migration. The migration of birds during day times is called diurnal migration. Nocturnal migration. The migration of birds during the night time is called nocturnal migration. Daily migration. Certain birds like crows etc. fly away from their nests in the early morning and return to the same nets in the evening. This is called daily migration. Seasonal migration. Some birds are migrate regularly at the definite season in every year. This is called seasonal migration. Some ornithologists of temperature countries classify the migration birds according to seasons. Summer visitors and winter visitors. Certainly birds like swift swallows and nightingales, cuckoos, etc. migrate from the south to the north during the summer. These birds are called summer visitors. Winter visitors. Certainly birds like a field fare, snow bunting and redwing migrate from north to south during the winter. These birds are called winter visitors. This is the classification types of bird migration. This is an examination point of view, very very important in the migration of birds. Summer visitors, winter visitors, birds, example of summer migration birds and winter migration birds. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.